Hello everybody, this is Dave from RC. And as you know, no matter how good a pilot you are, you could end up crashing. That's just the way it is.
There we go. The floats are an interesting position. Make it. Oh! I think was right.
Now even a plane as easy to fly as the Tidewater could crash as well.
That puts extra pressure on you. Here we go.
Take a look at this flight. Everything seems to be going good, and then something really weird transpires.
Too much sun. Looks like you're wagging your wings. Well, it looks like it flies okay. Of course, all Tidewaters do good, even when they're doing bad. Oh, yeah. Oh, no.
Sometimes we don't even know what caused the crash. Could it be pilot error? Or maybe signal loss? Or just something malfunctioned with the mechanics in the plane?
Oh, yeah. Oh, what? No.
Okay, so what if your plane does crash and it's not really repairable? And that's an issue with the Tidewater because Fly Zone doesn't even make this plane anymore. And it's a great flyer, easy for the beginner. And if I crash this, I really want another one. So what do? Well, I got to looking around, and while I was at Joe Nall, I saw another plane that looked just like the Tidewater, but it had sort of a camo finish.
Because of that.
So I looked it up online, and it turned out that it was a Seagull. And the Seagull is the same fuselage and design and everything. I think it comes off the same mold, but it just has a camo on it. So I think I'll probably get one of those and see what I can do with it. So obviously it wasn't my Tidewater that crashed because I have it right here. That was another fellow at Joe Nall. And I really feel bad for him because everything was flying good and all of a sudden it just went down. What can you do? But now that I know where to get another one of these planes, I think I'll go ahead and order another one. What I was thinking of doing was putting FPV on it because these things will fly on land as well. You can just take these floats off. They just disconnect, and then you can either take off on the belly or just throw it. And I think since it is easy to fly, I think it would make a great FPV plane as well. So I might try that.
My favorite spot. Yeah, you want to get it? You think it's heavy? Thank you.
I'll be honest with you, none of them made that difference.
Okay, so don't forget to subscribe if you're new to my channel. And even if you are already subscribed, you might want to check your bell icon. If you're new or already here, just click the bell icon and then check the notifications so you'll get an email when my next video comes up. Okay, thanks for watching and we'll see you next time.